Alright, today I'm gonna be cleaning my Galaxy S21. Uh, from time to time, I like to just take the phone apart and clean it up. and usually because, you know, just throw it everywhere and, you know, over time it does pick up some dust and grime. So today we're gonna be cleaning this guy up, man. Gonna go ahead and remove the case. This case is a two-part case. As you can see, all that dust. Now this phone, it's my daily phone, so it it's been dropped. It goes through everything, man. But we're gonna go ahead and clean it up. I went ahead and powered off the device. So before you attempt to do any sort of cleaning, make sure you power off your device, guys. Don't mess it up, please. Alright, so phone's looking pretty good. No okay conditions. I mean, so what I'm gonna start with. We're gonna start with some alcohol. And I'm gonna go ahead and go around the edges. Just get it wet enough. Nice and wet, nice and moisty. Alright. And there might have to get in there because look, you can see, there you go. See all that? You see that? My camera might not be the best camera, but if let's see, yeah, dirt, man, all that dirt. So we're gonna go ahead and take a toothpick, go at it, make sure I get all that grime out of there. Okay. And with the wet part of my Q-tip, I'm gonna go ahead and pick that dirt up. Have a really bad camera. Well, it's decent, but it's not the best, so I apologize. But let's go ahead and clean this bad boy up. Let's get that grime out of there. Now, another thing you can do is get some compressed air. I'm gonna go get my hose. I actually have a compressor by my desk. That way I can just grab this air hose and do that. And I'm gonna go into the USB-C port and just try to air it out. Now I'm gonna go ahead and take the toothpick and just kind of go around. I don't know if you can kind of see little specks of dirt. One thing you can also do is get a little bit of alcohol in there. You see? It's coming out dark. Yeah. Kind of scrape a little bit. I don't know if you can see the toothpick. It's coming out dark. And you want to do this so you can clean your connector up, especially if you're having issues with your charging. Sometimes it might just be dirty, man. air. Alright, so I went ahead and used some cleaner, spray it on, and just go over it with my microfiber. Now I could probably polish this phone because you see the metal edges, but it's my daily phone. It's alright. It has a cover, so no one's gonna see these rough edges, but these usually happen, you know, when you have a case and you drop it very often, like I do. So it's alright. I mean, it's not gonna, it doesn't affect the functionality, but you do want to clean your USB-C port from time to time, just to make sure you know, you keep it working, and it, you know, that dust and all that nastiness doesn't affect it. So now let's go ahead and check, make sure it's charging. Otherwise I probably messed something up, but as you can see, it's charging. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna lay down this bad boy here. I need to replace the glass on it, and the super fast charging is on. So alright, we're good. Now with these, I'm gonna go ahead and go and wash them out with some soapy water in my sink, and I'll be back. Alright, and once you get back from the sink, you've already washed your plastics. No more dust, right? Make sure you dry them out, and now you can go ahead and well, we confirmed our USB C is working, right? And so we didn't damage our charger. So now we can go ahead and put it back in. It's nice and clean. And there we go, guys. You should probably do that every now and then on your phone. It'll keep it running a lot better, especially when you start getting like a lot of contaminants on the back of the phone. As it is, the phone's not able to, you know, cool down completely, but once you start getting like a lot of dirt in there, it starts letting your foam get a lot more warmer, and, you know, retain that heat. So yeah, just make sure you clean it out every now and then, guys. Alright, well, you guys have a good one.